Good afternoon, sir. I am Sonia from 8th class. Today I am going to present a biography on Stephen Hawking. Stephen William Hawking was the theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and the author of Director of Theoretical Physics at the University of Cambridge. Between 1979 and 2009, he was the location professor of mathematics at the University of Cambridge. He was born on 8th January 1942 in Oxford, in England, in the family of physicians. His father, Frank Hawking, was the tropical medical specialist, and mom, Isabella Hawking, was political activist. He was having a disease called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Due to this disease, he was folded into the wheelchair and unable to talk without the using of synthesizer. And he was having limited movements and unable to talk. He also wrote many books regarding the universe and knowledge which were published. He learned about the universe, black hole, and the relationship between the general relativity and the quantum machines. He did a discovery of that the black hole emit energy. He is best known for his Hawking radiation, in which he said that the black hole is not exactly black. It emits some energy due to the gravity and the quantum machines. He also got many rewards for his experiments and his discoveries which he have proved. In his discovery, he said about the aliens. He said there are some possibilities of aliens. He said yes, the aliens may exist. He told aliens are more developed and more stronger than the human beings. If we try to contact with aliens, it would be harmful for humans, as aliens may destroy the earth. And he told that if we try to claim the universe from the beginning, the time loses distinct nature and changes into space. As he was having a disability, he was having many ideas and knowledge, but he could not express it. As he was having a disability, he encouraged many people to pursue on their dreams and not to concentrate on their disabilities. He told to concentrate on what we are good at. It is foolish to act like others. And he was died on 14th March due to the motor neuron disease. Before dying, he said that I am not hurried to die, but I am also not afraid to die. Thank you.